dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Good morning, children. Great shows. Welcome for lesson, the social study lesson. And our topic for today, we are going to talk about safe travel to and from school. Safe travel to and from schools. Now, children, what do you use to go to school? How do you go to school, and how do you come from school to home? Some we go to school by walking, some we go to school by school bus, and others we use our parents' car. So we want to know how we can be safe while we are going to school. Go to school. There are signs you find on the road, and every sign you find on your way to the road, it has the meaning. So we want to know some of the road signs we see in the road. And we say some children go to school by school bus, cars, or by walking. Some also ride bicycles to school. Now, those who walk or ride bicycles follow. All those who ride the bicycle, those who walk on by foot, and those who use the cars, we all have to follow the road signs. Why? We have to follow the road signs in order to be able to avoid accidents on the road. If we fail to follow, maybe you find there's a road sign somewhere and you fail to follow it, you may end up causing an accident. So we should always follow the road sign to avoid the accidents. Now, let's look some of the examples of the road sign we find on the way. Now, as you walk around, you find this road sign, and this one means stop. Maybe there's something ahead, or maybe there's a danger ahead, so you have to stop. Then we have this road sign. You see there are children drawn there, and this one means, now this one is for the people who are using the cars, so or the vehicles. You have to stop because maybe there are children crossing. Maybe there's a school near, or maybe a market somewhere. So you know that their children will be. The children might cross the road, so you have to slow down in order to avoid the accident. We have the traffic lights. We have 3 lights in the traffic lights. We have red, yellow, and we have green. This one we find it mostly in the tarmac roads. Now, each color there, each traffic light there has the meaning. Now, these ones for the vehicle, the ones who are now driving the cars, the buses, these ones you have to obey them. And also for the people who wants to cross the road. So the red color, it means stop. When you see the red color in the traffic light, it will tell you to stop. The yellow color, it tells you now, get ready to cross now, or get ready to go. Then the green color means you go. So when you see the red color, you have to stop. Yellow, you have to, now you get ready to go. Then the green, it tells you now you can process with your journey. Then we have this one, and this one means bends. Maybe as you move on the road, you find that the road it's somehow not straight, so you have to bend. So for the vehicles, they have to slow down. You have to slow the speed. We also have these ones. This means the bridge. Maybe ahead there is a bridge. So for those who are riding, you have to slow down, because if you fail, you might lose your steps and cause an accident. Then this one means bumps ahead. As you go, there is a bump, so you have to slow down. We have this one, men at work. Maybe there is a construction somewhere on the road. There is a construction, and you know where there is a construction, there's a lot of activities going on. So for those people who are passing by, you have to be careful, because you might, maybe those who are doing construction, they might maybe draw something and then it eats you, or maybe you might do something that may lead to an accident. For you have to be very careful at that point. Then we have this one, and this one means hospital. Then turn left. This one means turn left. If the arrow points the other side, it means turn right. Therefore this one is turn left, but now when you come and find the arrow is facing this other side, it means turn right. So these are just the examples of the road sign we find on our way to or from school. Now we should follow road sign when using the road. Why? They keep us safe on the road. If we follow these road signs you see on the road, you will be safe as you go where you are going and as you come back. So we should always follow the road sign. Now we have those people walking on the road by foot. Now they are not using the bus, they are not using the car, or they are not riding the bicycle. Now we call those people the pedestrians. The people walking along the road, we call them pedestrian. And you say pedestrian should cross the road at a zebra crossing. Now you are supposed to use the zebra crossing while you want. Now maybe you're in the busy town and the vehicles are moving very fast, so you have to go to where you have to wait, or you have to go where there is a zebra crossing for you to be able to cross the road safely. So we should cross the road at the zebra crossing. Now for you to cross the road, make sure all the cars have stopped. You know, now for zebra crossing, yes, it's used for people to cross the road, but don't just go and just cross. You have to wait for the cars to stop, then now you cross. You can see these ones are crossing the road. There is no car. All the cars, they have stopped this side and the other side, so the people now are free to stop to cross the road. So there they are safe. Now when you want to cross the road, now like the children, when you want to cross the road, this is how you can cross the road safely. One, you have to look right. Now maybe you want to cross the road, so you have to go, you stand, then you look right, you look left, then you look right again. Now when you see that there is no car coming, or there's no any car near, now you can cross the road by walking. Don't cross the road running, you cross the road walking. You just walk carefully, you cross the road. So for you to cross, first you look right, you look left, you look right again, and now after you are, now you see now the road is safe. Now you cross the road. So that's our story, our lesson for today. And today, remember, we are talking about the road sign, and we have said we use the road sign to be safe on the road. We should always follow the road sign to avoid accidents to occur. So if you follow the road accident, we will be safe as we move along the road. So always make sure that any sign you see on the road, you follow it. When you want to cross the road, be careful as you cross the road. Don't just go and you find that you see the cars are passing and then you just cross. So you have to wait. Maybe you observe when the road is clear, then you cross the road. Thank you for listening. That's our lesson. Until next time, bye bye.